Hello, boys and girls. Today for your math, you're going to have three different activities because these activities are just reviewing what we've already done. And so it's just pulling it all together and making sure that you understand. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your pencil tool and you are going to trace the shape right on the gray lines as best as you can. Then you're going to count how many sides the shape has and write the number of sides in the next column. And then next it says corners. So you're going to count the corners on the shape and you're going to write how many corners there are. In the last column, you have to decide what kind of lines are in this shape. Does this shape have curved lines or straight lines? You're going to trace the one that belongs for this shape. Then you're going to come down to the next shape and you are going to trace the gray dotted lines. You're going to count the sides and write how many there are. And then you're going to count the corners and you're going to write how many there are. And then you have to decide what kind of lines are in this shape. Are they curved or straight? Finish all four of the shapes before you turn it into your teacher.